Day 19 of building a computer part by part until I'm done. I like VESA. I like VESA mounts, and that's what I'm installing. Jesus Christ, and that's what I'm installing too.
My goodness.
The monitor arm looks like this.
Stop!
And they get hammered onto the wall-mounted pole.
This should help.
Putting the monitors on arms gives a cleaner look, in my opinion.
I'm sure of it.
From the bottom up, it will look something. It will look something like. Jesus Christ! It'll look something like this. The mount itself is seldom seen once put up, but it looks like this on top.
You can't be serious.
The brackets are secured with Allen head screws, which is nice.
How interesting.
Let's just go ahead and do that. And then just see you.